question, you have to identify the part of the male reproductive system in cockroaches where sperms are stored. Option A, testes. It is incorrect because testes produce sperms but do not store them. Option B, vas deferens. It is also incorrect because the vas deferens transports sperms from the testes to the seminal vesicle. Option C, seminal vesicle. In male cockroaches, sperms are stored in the seminal vesicle after being transported from the testes via the vas deferens. Hence, it is the correct answer. Option D, mushroom glands. It is incorrect because mushroom glands in male cockroaches secrete substances that form the spermatophore, but they are not involved in the storage of sperm.